Hi everyone, this is KJ from Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa na reaction video ang katugtong ng kapamilya shot na sinan sa akin ni Crescencia, which is the Dear K Deluxe. So I won't take any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. Anong video na to kung ano yung Dear K Deluxe. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
So sa challenge na to, kailangan nyo lang mag-create ng question or statement na never nyo pang natanong or nasabi sa isa't isa.
Oh my God, I love this. I love this. Okay, kwentuhan natin yan.
Ano, blank.
Okay, so tatanungin ko siya ng ano. Like,
yes.
Ano question that
Any random ano question.
Okay.
Ano ang nauna? Ang manok o ang itlog?
Ay, ano ba yan? Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko pa yung natatanong sa'yo. Anong theory mo doon? Ang sino nauna, manok o itlog?
Itlog.
Bakit?
Bakit? Kasi, when you think about it, let's say wolves.
The normal.
Diba from wolves, naging dogs na sila, naging domesticated. So, wolves had to breed until nag-evolve, genetically, naging house dog or like yung mga dog na. What if that happened with the chicken? Like, chickens had to breed and they bred.
How do they breed if they're only eggs?
Hindi, they breed nga, tapos magkakaroon ng egg. And then eventually, as time passes, that egg will evolve into a chicken.
So, not
into that, yung chicken.
Okay, I respect that argument. But if I think of when God made the world, and when He made the animals, I don't think He made
the egg.
I think He made the chicken.
Okay.
And then the chickens, they made the egg.
I guess yung iba yung
kasi yung mga sumakay ng Noah's Ark, hindi itlog yung tumatalon doon. Manok yung naglalakad.
Yeah.
But then again,
I love the argument.
Mine is coming from evolution, yours is coming from the Bible.
Yung nakakabobo kung sila yung argument, mag-argument ka, no? Like, mabobobo.
Napaka-brainy po talaga nila.
Like, mabobobo ka na lang talaga sa kanila.
Brainy. Ganyan lang kami maglukuhan, ganyan kami magsira.
Ang galing nila magkipag-argument.
Sabi nyo kasi random questions, ayan tuloy, binigyan kayo ng random question.
Ganda ng tanong ko, no? Comment po kayo kung anong nauna, kung anong po itlog. Kanino po kayo kakampi? Si KD itlog daw, ako po ay
manok. Team KD or Team Alexa? Oo, ayan
ang
dalaw kayo, sweethearts.
Okay.
Ikaw naman, ano yung question mo?
Anong question? This is, okay,
anong nangyari?
Bakit naman ganun?
This is a hard question.
Huwag mo nang i-heart. Yung kaya lang ng princess.
Kaya lang ng princess. Okay. Ano ang pinaka-ayaw mo na ginawa ko recently?
Pag may sinasabi ako na gawin mo, aralin mo, panoorin mo, umuo ka lang kasi mo gagawin.
Parang yung game natin kanina. Okay.
Ako sabihin ko, don't forget, gawin mo. Don't forget, ganito dapat ang suot mo. Tapos pag nakita tayo, hindi ganun yung suot mo. Tapos tayo.
Okay. Okay, yes.
Eto next, paano?
Kasi kanina sabi ko sa kanya, nung nag-guest kami ng Itbulaga, sabi ko, mag-games daw tayo. Can you watch the game, please? And
para may idea.
Yes, para may idea. Because I tried to watch it and I don't understand because I don't know anything about cards. So sabi niya, yeah, sure, I'll watch it. Sabi ko pa, watch it, okay. I know you're on the road. There's nothing else to do. Watch it. Tapos kanina sabi ko, oh, did you watch it? Ay, nakalimutan ko.
Ang cute nila, babe.
Isip ko na wala sa isip ko, sorry.
Sobrang cute nila.
Ito. Grabe yun.
Paano naman tayo nang
Fine.
Next, paano?
Ikaw, what do you think?
Hindi, naragutan na sila ng tanong, babe.
Sige.
Okay.
How do I make this Tagalog?
English mo na lang.
Sige.
How?
If I lost my memory, how would you make me remember you?
Oh my God. Ang hirap naman.
Not just you. Like, how would you make me remember you? Pinagsamahan natin, how would you make me remember you?
Oh my God!
I would
grabe si Kitty
show you the internet. Like, by the way, this is us. We're a love team. We work together. We met from here. You thought I was pretty. Like that.
Ang gwapo ni Kitty, no?
Okay, fine. That's a good question.
Okay.
Paano, yun nga, kunyari nagkaroon ako ng amnesia.
Amnesia din siya.
Paano mapapatunayan sa akin na ikaw si Kitty? Na-close tayo.
Close tayo. Ang dami kong picture.
What if sabihin ko, in-edit mo lang yan?
Yung problema mo na yun.
Problema mo na yun. Problema mo na yan.
I guess.
Okay.
Ito. Last two. I wish that.
I wish that, okay.
Pero
Oh my
question.
God, ang ganda nito.
Kahit statement na tayo
Ano
dito.
lang.
I wish.
I wish
Ang ganda
that
nito,
I had
Crescencio,
good
thank
money.
you.
I was gonna say the same thing. Okay. I mean, I think everybody, kahit dito sa chat, agree naman.
Yeah.
Agree naman.
Money is so powerful. I would use it for the greater good of this country. Thank you.
Miss Universe. Miss Universe na.
Candidate
Tamay.
number 1.
Matalino talaga
I don't want money to be greedy. I want money because there's so much good I can use it for.
Yeah, there's so many ways you can, you can give back to the world and stuff.
Sure.
There wouldn't be a single homeless animal if I had all the money in the world.
Yes.
Oh.
And I wish that, let's see.
You wish what?
I wish that everyone in my life right now is having a good, having it well, or like having a good time.
If I had all the money, everyone would have a good time.
That's true. I mean, it's not a competition. It's not a competition.
Okay.
I would share my infinite money.
Oo, i-share naman ni Alexa talaga. Last, what if?
What if?
What if? What if you're
Ano
wrong?
eh?
What
Parang ang
if?
hirap naman itong kantang to. Anong tanong
What
nito?
if?
Oh,
What if ma-fall ako? Charit.
what if one day
Uh-huh.
I asked you for help to hide the body?
Oh.
Would you help me?
Oh my
questions
God.
asked.
Who's the body? Oh wait, I can't know
No,
questions.
no.
No questions asked pala.
Just
Oh my
would you help me or
God.
would you report me to Law and Order?
No.
Oh my God.
I would help
Ang
you.
hirap nito.
But, syempre, I'll ask
Even
you
if you be
after.
an accessory to a crime.
Accessory to. I would help you, but I would ask you after. That's the condition. I help you, but I have to ask you, who's that? Sino yan? Sino yung nangyari dito?
Okay, good enough. Fair enough.
Okay.
Grabe.
What if, let's see.
What if?
Hirap ng question na to. Okay.
What if for today's
What if
video?
zombie apocalypse?
Okay na ako agad na. Wala. Wala sa, di mo na matutuloy yung question mo. Patay tayo.
Okay.
Ano tanong mo?
What if
I
zombie
love
apocalypse? How will you... First day, ano gagawin mo?
Magpapakain.
Like, what if there's nothing?
Ako yung kakainin.
Okay.
Magsusurrender na, no?
Susurrender na talaga siya.
Effort. Doon din naman ang punta nating lahat.
Totoo naman, okay.
So, ikaw lalaban kayo, no?
Oo, nalaban ako.
Ako,
Lalaban talaga
masecure ko lang yung mga pets ko. Nasa
Okay.
loob lang sila ng
Oh.
kain.
Mga pets ko.
Okay na ako magpapakain.
Okay.
Surrender
Mga
na.
pets niya talaga.
Decided na ako.
Okay.
That wraps up our Dear KDLX. Grabe yung mga tanungan nyo, no? Talagang nga,
In fairness, pang
si Alexa
matalino.
tinanong, what if magpapatulong ako mag-hide ng body, tutulungan. Grabe.
Oo.
Thank you so much, Alexa and the KD.
Ay, tapos na.
Law and Order.
Thank you
Okay.
for being a good sport sa ating mga pa-challenge. Again, before we end,
Tapos na. Okay. Alright, there you go guys. That's all for today's video. Our KDLX TikTok compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!